Chapter 2, Living and Non Living Things. Our earth is full of wonderful things. We see a wide variety of things around us. There are people, pets, birds, flowers, trees, roads, vehicles, mountains, bridges, sun, moon, buildings, etc. Out of these, some are living and some are non living things. Things like vehicles, car, buses, roads, bridges, and buildings are made by humans. They are called human made things. Things like people, pets, birds, flowers, mountains, trees, sun, and moon have not been made by humans. Nature has given these things to us. They are known as natural things, characteristics of living things. There are many features which make living things different from non living things. Let us know about them. Living things move. Living things can move on their own. Animals such as dogs, cats, cheetahs, tigers, and deer walk and run. Birds and insects fly. Fish swim. Plants don't move from one place to another, but they show movement in a different form. When we touch the leaves of a touch me not plant, mimosa, it shows a slow movement by closing its leaf. Have you seen a sunflower? It turns its face towards the sun. So, the sunflowers also shows movement. But non-living things such as books, tables, trains, and cars cannot move on their own. Living things grow. All living things grow. A human body grows into an adult. A small plant grows into a big plant. A puppy grows into a dog. A kitten grows into a cat. Plants and animals grow with time in size. Non living things such as cars, toys, mobile phones, and rocks cannot grow. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of the other animals as food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water, and light by a process called photosynthesis. Non living things do not need food. Living things breathe. We cannot live without breathing. We need air to breathe. Animals and human beings breathe by lungs. Fish breathe through gills. Plants take air through small pores on their leaves. Those pores are called stomata. Non living things do not breathe. Living things feel. We feel cold in winter and hot in summer. Animals too can feel hot, cold, and pain. If you hug your pet dog, it wags its tail. Why? Because it feels happy. Plants also respond to changes around them. For example, the leaves of touch me not plant close when touched. In autumn, the leaves of some tree change color. Living things reproduce. Living things produce young ones of their own kinds. This process is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or having birth to young ones. Birds lay eggs to reproduce. Plants can also reproduce. For example, a seed of gram can reproduce gram plant and a seed of papaya can reproduce papaya plant.